Hi, Raymond Whittaker from VivaMk, just unboxing a delivery from VivaMk. So let's see what people have been buying from the VivaMk catalogues. So let's get started. So we've got the box opened. So at the top, just got some packing. We've got a delivery note. Got a set of microwave plate coolers, covers. We've got a Clean Easy telescopic window cleaner. We got the 2 shopping bags. Got a jungle book colouring set. We got some sink strainers and plug sets. Got a fridge liner. Got 2 Merry Christmas window stickers. We got a silver polishing cloth. We got 2 metal reef hangers. We got a egg poaching set. It's got a CBBB's magnetic fishing game. We got a Christmas storage bag. Got a Christmas miniature Christmas tree ornament. We've got a drain away. We've got a second drain away. We got a third drain away. So we've got some VivaMk de-icer. We got a Clean Easy remove and refresh sort of upholstery carpet cleaner. So we've got 2 baking soda wipes. We got a hob job cleaner. We got some cream. We got a tub of jewellery cleaner. Not had these for a while, but they used to be in every delivery. It's got 3 microwave egg poachers. Got fresh steps, stacking cups. We got a Linning blast can air freshener. We got a washing machine cleaner. So got a blast can Perry. Got two gripping Christmas card stuff. Got a little book travel set. We've got a microwave cleaner. So we got a little ornament, small ornaments. So we've got a past the Santa parcel. So we've got a little box. So we've got some reed diffuser. Got a scented candle. A little bit more room. So we've got a VivaMk laundry sanitizer and pre-soak. We got some like hand cream. We got a dairy milk chocolate adventure calendar, advent calendar. So we got a penguin bedding set, polar bear, reindeer bedding set. Got a furniture touch-up pens. Got a couple of glass can lids, probably. Got a cooking liner. We got a fridge freezer, like de-icer. Got a freezer liner which prevents build-up of frost and ice on your freezer. So you got a magnetic drawing board. So we've got some window stickers. We've got some Snow Queen storybook. And also we have the Nutcracker storybook. So we've got a foot mask, and we've got a grout pen. We've got a window sticker. So we've got VivaMk Revive.
Alright.
Yeah. We've got a VivaMk stain remover. We've got a ultimate PVC cleaner. Got another stain away. And we've got a eco-friendly window cleaner. So we've got some items in their bag. So got a personalised pencil case. And we've got a personalised cat or dog collar with a pet's name on and the owner's address on the back. So we've got another bag. So we've got some Prime FX foundation primer. We've got some lipstick. Got a little toe in. We got some nail stickers. We got a nice jewellery brooch. We got a second jewellery brooch. Got another little bag. So we got 2 farm sticker books and 2 fairy sticker books. So we've got 2 Christmas children's socks. And got a VivaMk melted wax melts. Just a bit of packing, and that's the box empty. So thank you for watching, and if you're interested in joining VivaMk, just PM me and get you signed up in a team. And see you next time. Okay, bye.